Hello. If you're stuck on YouTube split view on your Firefox browser and you wish to exit but you are wondering how do you exit this, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can exit split screen view on YouTube using Firefox browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so first, once you are here, you need to choose the interface or the window you wish to restore to. If you wish to restore back to this window, just go ahead and select it like that, and you'll know that you have selected it if you see a ribbon around. However, if you wish to expand the window on this split, as you can see, it's split into half, then again click on it and you can see it will be selected. Now once you have selected this, head up here on split view and click on it, and then choose the option separate tabs. If you click on it, now the whole window will restore back to the selected window. So that's how you can exit YouTube split view on Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.